అందరికీ నమస్కారం అండ్ హలో ఎవ్రీబడి ఐఎమ్ మేఘ్నా. ఈ రోజు మన స్టూడియోకి వచ్చిన నాకు నేనే తోపు తురుము హీరోయిన్ ద బ్యూటిఫుల్ గార్జియస్ మాన్సా గారు. ఐ హోల్ హార్టెడ్లీ వెల్కమ్ యూ మాన్సా గారు.
Thank you.
హౌ ఆర్ యూ?
I'm good.
ఓకే, సో ప్లీజ్ టెల్ us something about a movie.
So this movie basically, first of all, the very first point that I have to tell is like it's a very even though it's a commercial subject, but it's a very message driven, very message oriented movie. And as far as I'm concerned, I play a very bubbly, cute girl.
Oh.
Girl from a rich family, kind of a character. So apart from that, like the entire movie, so it's actually made with a very good thought.
ఓకే,
Very good thought, even though a lot of commercial elements are involved in the movie, but there's a lot more to get back once you see the movie and once you come out of the theater.
ఓకే.
So
సో
yeah.
బేసిక్లీ ఇట్స్ a symbolic movie, message oriented.
Yeah, see, every movie comes with a message itself.
Yes.
Nobody would like to do a movie which has no message.
కరెక్ట్.
But then sometimes what happens is that when it comes to all these commercial aspects, somewhere that message, it gets camouflaged.
యా.
So people won't get to know as to what is the message at the end at the end of the movie. But in this movie, it's not that way. That is what I feel in person when I see it from an audience point of view. That from the beginning to till the end, there is this message that is being carried
Okay.
throughout the
Throughout the
movie.
movie.
So I can say that is one really special feature about this movie.
Oh, that's nice. So Mansa garu, we have a very fun thing to do right now.
Mhm.
Do you want to guess what it is? Okay, I'll tell you. It's a rapid fire round.
Okay.
So you have to answer in a question అడిగినా మీరు ఒక్క word లో ఆన్సర్ చేయాలి.
Mm-hmm.
Are you ready with this?
Yeah.
Okay, so my first question is, who is your first crush?
Hrithik Roshan.
So he's been your crush?
Yeah. Since I was in 4th standard, there was one Coca-Cola ad.
Okay.
Very first time even before Kahuna Pyar Hai, wherein I saw Hrithik Roshan. I saw it in my grandparents' home. So from that day till this day, and even in future, he'll be my crush. First ever.
Always. Forever.
Forever.
That's very cute. So second question is, మీరు మీ గురించి చెప్పాలనుకుంటే, if you want to describe yourself in a word, then ఎలా చెప్తారు? I know it's difficult, but you have to answer.
Then that's what I would rather take like 3 words
Okay.
for that. So that is dreamer, believer, achiever.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
That's very nice.
That's my motto.
Okay.
You should never stop dreaming. You should never stop believing in yourself. And no matter whoever comes or whoever goes, you should never stop achieving.
That totally
That's
makes
me.
you.
Yes, that's
Okay, that's nice. Okay, so my third question, since you're an actress, you have something in your mind that in 10 years or in 5 years, in 2 years, మీకు ఒక పొజిషన్ లో ఉండాలని ఉంటుంది. So in what kind of a role do you want to do, and what kind of position you are thinking of?
See that, as an actress, everyone will want to be a superstar. Everyone will want to rule the industry. But then the thing is, even if you think like that, or even if you become like that, it's not essential that you will stay there. Or it's not essential that you will be in the number 1 position all the time.
True.
So there's no point in dreaming to become that.
Yes.
So if you are capable of becoming that, obviously you will reach to that position. So instead, like what I feel is that all of us have got to die one day. All of us have got to go from this world one day. So with whatever work I'm doing in this lifetime, so in this janam, whatever, I've become an actress. So when I go, whatever work I've done, so even after I go, I want even if people don't remember me, it's okay. At least whenever they see my work, I want them to feel happy. So
Yes.
that kind of work and that kind of movies I want to do. So before I go from this world, and that's my motto.
Okay, so you basically dream and you will achieve anywhere.
Yeah, even see when you're dreaming and when you're believing in yourself, even if you don't achieve it, you'll at least have the satisfaction.
That I did something.
Yes.
What I wanted to.
Yes, that
That's
satisfaction is what is important.
Continue.
So that satisfaction is something which keeps you going, and at the end of the day when you sleep, it's that satisfaction which will get you sleep.
Yeah.
So I guess all of us, everybody, no matter in whichever field we are, I think we have to work towards that satisfaction than achievement or money or success or fame. Once you have that to yourself, then obviously all these things, if it is written in your fate, it will come to you. If not also, they won't bother you that they are not yours.
So that's the happiness you want
Yes.
while
That's
before
the-
you sleep.
Yes, that's the way of getting happiness is what I feel.
That's nice. So Mansa garu, this is the end and I want to ask you the last question. And this is the best question. Okay, so మన మూవీ మీ కో-స్టార్ అశోక్ గారి గురించి వన్ వర్డ్ లో డిస్క్రైబ్ చేయాలంటే ఎలా చేస్తారు?
One word, family.
Okay, family.
He's like
so
family, yeah.
yeah, that's very cute. Could you tell something else about him?
Something else, something more in a sense is like why I call him family is because, see, it's very difficult when you are into a profession, you get to work with a lot of people, and then you be with a team or a person for a very less number of time. And in that particular time, if a person, can understand you,
So well.
Yeah, so well, and he can see. Ashok is someone who understands my mood swings. He's someone who tolerates when I'm angry. He honestly, he's someone who takes a little tantrums that I throw, because I don't throw tantrums on anybody else.
But he takes it all.
Yeah, not on anybody else, not even on a set boy. I never do it. But only on Ashok I do it, because I take it a little granted when it comes to him, because like I said, he is a family to me and he'll always be. And when it comes to profession and when it comes to being a co-star, I guess he is one of the best co-stars that I've had so far. I've whatever like little work that I've done in this industry, there's so much more to do according to me. But so far in my journey, out of so many people that I've met, whether on the screen or off the screen, so Ashok is one of the really nicest and really professional person that I've met so far. So yeah,
So like a gentleman he is.
No, he's not a gentleman. He's very cute to be called a gentleman. Right? So he's a really good person. I can say that.
I'm sure he'd be very, very happy to listen to all this.
Yeah.
So thank you so much. This is the end of our rapid fire show.
Okay.
So thank you so much for coming, Mansa garu. The way you came, you spoke, it enlightened everything. The vibes around was very nice. And I'm sure the audience also must have liked it a lot. And for sharing such messages and for sharing all the చిన్న విషయాలు ఏమైనా ఉన్నా చెప్పుకోవడము మాకు మా వ్యూవర్స్ కి చెప్పుకోవడానికి we're very thankful and I wish you the best of luck మీకు మీ టీమ్ కి and it should be a grand success. We are with you and will make it a hit. All the best to you.
Thank you so much, and I really request all the audiences, especially all the Telugu audience, that to I mean, every actor will definitely request this, and I'm no different. So I'm telling them, please do come watch our movie. Come with your family, come with your kids, and don't think that just because I can't speak Telugu and that's I don't take it.
She must have rocked it. I'm sure.
I'm sure the next time I'll give an interview with another Telugu movie that I've got to do, I'll speak in Telugu. I'll make a point that I learn it. So with this, I can promise you this much, that it's a really good movie. So please do come watch and bless all of us youngsters who really want to entertain you, and then with that blessings that you give, who want to come up in their life. So thank you so much.
So this is the interview with Mansa garu, and I want all of you, మీ ఫ్యామిలీస్ తో వెళ్ళి ఖచ్చితంగా మూవీ చూసి ఒక పెద్ద హిట్ చేయాలి. So I wish you luck, the whole team of Naku Nene Topturumu.